Welcome back. Today we'll start with coordinate geometry. The word coordinate comes from the word coordination. So what coordination are we talking about? We are talking about the coordination between 2 points on a plane. We take the points to be x and y, and the coordination is traced on a plane with 4 directions and 4 quadrants, and the plane is known as Cartesian plane. Now let us go back. How was the idea evolved? How did coordinate geometry came into existence? A French mathematician of the 17th century, while lying on his bed, was observing stars in the sky. Then he thought that how would I locate a star on the sky if I have to tell the direction or the position of a star? I cannot simply say that it is lying to my east or lying to my west. I have to locate it keeping all the 4 directions in mind, and thus evolved the idea of Cartesian plane. So a Cartesian plane is a combination of all the 4 directions. So long we have learnt how to position a point on a number line either to the left or to the right. But how much far north and how much far south is the point lying did not came to our mind till now. So we'll be studying about this interesting topic in this segment. So what we'll be studying in this chapter is the Cartesian system. By Cartesian system means the entire Cartesian plane with the 2 number lines, the quadrants, the sign, and the placing of points on those Cartesian plane. As I told you about the history, René Descartes, and the word Cartesian plane has come from his name, Descartes. So he was the man behind the idea. Let us start with a number line which we have already learned. What is a number line? A number line is a horizontal line extending indefinitely in both the directions. And the origin of the number line, or the central point of a number line, is the number 0, the whole number. To the left of the number line we have all negative integers, and to the right we have all positive integers. So we can divide the number line into 2 segments, the east and the west, consisting of negative and positive integers along with 0. But what if I have to place a number to the north and to the south? Then obviously I'll think of a vertical number line. I have denoted the horizontal number line. We have the horizontal number line x dash, and as discussed earlier, the 0.0 is the origin of the number line. To the left and to the right we have negative and positive values respectively. This is about placing a point to the east or to the west or to the left or to the right. But what if I have to place a point, position a point to the north or to the south? Then what I'll do, I'll rotate this number line in the anti-clockwise direction so that it becomes a vertical number line. So if I position the points on a vertical number line, I'll get the position to the north and to the south. And the vertical number line is now denoted by y dashed. So the horizontal number line is x dashed and the vertical number line is y dashed. If I combine both of them, then for a particular point I will get the direction combining all the 4 quadrants. That means I'll get the exact position of a point, that how much to the northeast it is lying, or to the northwest, or to the southeast, or to the southwest. Now this idea of Cartesian plane was very important. It's an important innovation. Why? Because it helped our sailors in sailing the ship in a particular direction. So this innovation was a wonderful innovation which helped us to locate a point. Suppose we have to locate the movement of a ship in a sea, or the stars in the sky, or the position of a place on Google Map. This is a very, very important innovation. Now, if I combine both the vertical and the horizontal number line, as we can see here, the entire plane is divided into 4 quadrants. The origin, that is point 0, is known as the origin because both the vertical and the horizontal number line, for both the vertical and the horizontal number line, this is the midpoint.